What's up, everybody? So, as you can see, it is pouring outside, and every time it rains, I have a leak in this truck. Let me see if I can pull it up properly. Hold on. Okay, I got my light on. As you can see, we have some drippage going on. It's coming out from underneath here, and what it's been doing is filling up this section and then just making the entire floor wet. Like, it's horrible. And from my understanding, is a pretty common problem. Like, see this water? It's supposed to drip down into this little gutter right here. However, there's a drain hole back here, and it's supposed to come down through a tube, run out, down, and then out the side of the truck, or I think out through the hood. Anyways, you can see there's something going on where it's not making it all the way and dripping onto the floor. So I already got that panel off because I've been hunting it. I've been trying to figure out where it's coming from. And so yeah, we're gonna get it right this time. Show you how to fix it. Get me in it. See, and when I say it puddles up, soaked. I see it gets down there, soaked, absolutely soaked. So, okay, so we moved underneath a car wash carport thing to get this done. What you're gonna do is take this pillar off and then pull the headliner down a bit. This was pretty straightforward. You just pop these little tabs off. Just got a little flathead screwdriver, popped it off. And then behind here are two 10mm bolts. So you just get the extension, 10mm ratchet, pop them off. And then this thing, same sort of situation. Cap, pop it off. But you will need one of these specialty bits to get the screws off. I'll show you the head in a second, but I got this from AutoZone right across the street, and it's the S2 T15. I'm not sure if that's the size or not, but I think it is. So S2 T15, and just take these off here, and then pull down the headliner and get this thing fixed. Let's see. Did that get you?
Yeah. It's okay though.
Found it.
You can see the two?
Yep.
Here, you want to show them?
Okay, so I got this thing pulled back, and as you can see here, see how the tube is not connected to the grommet? So that's why everything was pouring out and getting all nasty. So I'm gonna clean out the end of that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little grimy and nasty. I'm gonna clean the end of that off and stick it back in. All right, so I muscled it back in there. You kind of crunch your hand up a bit, but you just grab it and push it in there. So we're gonna pull back the visor, pour some water in it, and see what happens. Okay, give it a shot. Yoo-hoo! right, do it one more time because it's kind of
I
cool.
did it.
It's cool watching the water come through it. Do it. Hold on. And go. Whee! There it goes. Cool.
Yay!
Yay! It's been a nightmare. So I'm really happy that we got it solved.
Me too.
Okay, so we're gonna keep testing it. We'll put this back together and we'll keep y'all updated.